Okay, in this tutorial, we'll go over more examples on how to change pictures on the website. So, as always, scroll all the way to the bottom to log in. Click on Camhaven Farms. Enter your username and your password. Click on Login. That's your backend right there. To go to your front end, hover the mouse over Camhaven Farms and click on Visit Site. Alright, so we want to know what we're doing here. So we want to go to the equine boarding page and change some of the pictures. So to do that, you gotta go, before you enable Visual Builder, you want to go to the location to the page where you want to make changes. So in our case, we'll go to the equine boarding. So click on that. So now we're on the equine boarding page, and we don't see any controls here yet because we haven't enabled the Visual Builder. So having said that, we'll go ahead and enable the Visual Builder. And the Visual Builder is loading. Okay, as you can see, there's text and pictures, text and pictures, text and pictures, text and pictures, all the way to the bottom. So in this example, we're gonna go to option number 1 for rehab and change this picture. So click on the gear button, and just to remind you, we've already enabled Visual Builder. You hover your mouse over this, click on the gear, the image settings box pops up, click on the image, takes you to the media library, and you can select the picture you want to choose. So for the purpose of an example, we will use this picture, and then we just click on upload an image. Picture has changed. Click the green checkbox, click on the purple three dots button to reveal the save button, and click save. When all the changes are done, you make sure you exit the Visual Builder. Suppose we want to change the wording for here for the stage 1, or suppose we want to click on the after falling care text and change it. So hover your mouse over that, click on the gear button, and then you can just add, this is the extra text we just added. As an example, checkbox, click on save, and there you have it. It's right there. Okay, so the same thing applies to the equine treatment page. However, before we click that, we gotta exit the Visual Builder for this page for the boarding, because we're on the boarding page right now. So we'll hit exit. Now the equine boarding page has been updated, and just to remind you, change the picture, and we added some text here. Text. and we exited the Visual Builder. Now we'll go to the Equine Treatments page, and the same thing applies. You can enable the Visual Builder. Visual Builder is loading. Suppose we want to change this picture to something else. So to begin, like always, we have already enabled our Visual Builder. Take your mouse over it, click on the gear button, click on the image, and pick another image, and the image changes. And save your work, and exit the builder. And that's it. That ends the tutorial for changing pictures for the equine boarding and equine treatments page. This tutorial was brought to you by, as always, Full Web Solutions, experts in everything web. Thank you for watching.